Hey, hey man, what it is, you already know who it is. T.Joe, 0 for the O, you feel me? And let me prop the camera up. Oops. Alright. Whew, we here with it. So today, got another video, man, and this video, a little bit of a what do I want to call it? A little work video. Recently, I was talking to this guy, and he had this four-wheeler, this ATV, this super clean ATV. I'm not even going to tell y'all what it is because I'd rather show y'all. I'd rather show y'all than tell y'all. But he had a super clean ATV, but it was like it either didn't start or it starts but runs rough, like it's running weird. So yeah, talk to him, and he knows that I work on bikes and such. So we here with a challenge today. We're trying to see if we can get this ATV up and running great. Shouldn't be too much of a long video because as you know, this is my expertise. I thrive in environments like this where people challenge me and I prove them, I prove them wrong. I show them what I could do. But anywho, man, so yeah, right now I'm in the car right now. I'm currently at Walmart. So before the ATV gets here, such and such, we're trying to get some supplies. All in all, like I know for a fact I'm gonna need to do the basic maintenance and stuff. I already really have most of the stuff that I'll need at home, but like certain stuff, like I need some oil because I'm obviously gonna have to change the oil, and like do the basic maintenance and stuff like that. I think I need some brake fluid. I don't know, but like yeah. So when the ATV comes here, we're gonna test it out, like try to see what's up with it, what's going on, and such. Like I said, I have most of the supplies I need at home, so I'm really just trying to get a little minor stuff, and then we gonna go home, work on the ATV, and then try to get it up and running. And then once I get it up and running, of course, I'm gonna bring y'all the GoPro footage of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna provide. But yeah, so anywho, man, make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe to the video, show love to the channel, share it to your mom, your grandmother, your father, your uncle, your auntie, share it to everybody, man. While I'm still a smart channel, while I still need all the sharing in the world, go ahead and just share it. But anywho, man, so yeah, we gonna get right into it. I don't really think I really need to record me going into Walmart, but we gonna try to, make this video interesting. It's really whatever. Yeah. All right, y'all, we in Walmart, man. We inside the spot. We chill with it. We going straight to the automotive section. Let's see what's up. Yeah, I really don't think I'm gonna need anything else. So, I'm gonna look around, but like, I think we're good to go. All I really had in mind to get was the engine oil. We got that. Fully synthetic 10WD-30. So, we just gonna, if it's something else, I'm gonna grab it, but I think I'm gonna just head home for the most part, though. For the most part. Okay, y'all, we back at the crib, man. Back at home base. You feel what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and show y'all what the four-wheeler is looking like. But before I do, go ahead in the comments and guess what y'all think the four-wheeler is. I'll wait. That's enough time. But anyways, man, right here we got the let me post the thumbnail. Dang, I cannot see. 1 second. All right, y'all, we back. You know what I'm saying? Got my super shades on so the sun don't take me out. But yeah, the sun's so bright I can't even see. But this is old girl right here. I'm over here saying guess the four-wheeler, but it's probably gonna be in the thumbnail anyways. But anywho, y'all, we got the Yamaha Warrior. You know what I'm saying? 350cc. Let me give y'all a quick look around. Yes, sir. Super clean and pristine. You know how we do. Man. Tires are in super good condition. Everything works, the lights, all of that. She's super clean, man, super clean. But anyways, y'all, for the most part, we're gonna just do the basic maintenance. I'm gonna change the oil, do some work to it. I'm gonna try to, like, you know, mess with the carburetor, see what's up with that, the spark plug, make sure it's getting good spark, charge the battery up, you know, just the basics and stuff. And then we're gonna after the battery's charged up, we're gonna see what's up with it. Like, we're gonna try to test it, see if it starts up and everything. And then, yeah, hopefully it starts up. Once we get it running, and I'll definitely be able to bring y'all some cool little footage and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited to ride this. I haven't had a four-wheeler since I had the Suzuki LT230. And if you look on my old videos on my channel, I actually almost crashed. Like, I did crash, but I almost flipped the four-wheeler on top of myself. Like, I almost flipped it over my head. Yeah, it's been a long time. It's been well over a year since I've rode any four-wheeler. So I'm really excited to see what this four-wheeler is about and, like, really test out the power. From a 230cc to a 350cc, I'm already knowing, like, I'm about to really be able to put this down and do some serious donuts with it. I don't know, like, it's just gonna be fun. So to me, riding four-wheelers is, like, way more fun than dirt bikes, because it's like riding like a mini rear-wheel drive car. So, like, yeah, I'm definitely excited to get that riding and then see what's up with it. But let's go ahead and get to work, because we're wasting serious daylight time. Okay, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, it's so cold outside. Like, it's freezing out. But I'm trying to hurry to get this video over. But I ended up charging the battery and such. I didn't dig into I didn't really get into all the maintenance I wanted to do. Like, I wasn't able to change the oil and stuff because the oil bolt is, like, kind of stripped a little bit. It's kind of messed up and stuff, so I gotta order that before I can even remove it, so I don't have to put the old one back in. But I ended up charging the battery. I still need to dig into the carburetor and replace the spark plug. I don't have the right size. I don't have the right size spark plug. And for the carburetor, I didn't want to break it down before testing to see if it starts. So we're gonna try to get it started right now and see if she'll start right up. Got the key right here, bro. It's freezing, bro. It is freezing right now. I can barely feel my hands. It's getting power. It's getting power to the thing. You see the neutral light come on. Moment of truth, y'all. Set up better. Moment of truth, y'all. Yes, sir. Running, baby. Let's get it. So yeah, now that we got her running and such, you can kind of tell when you press the throttle, like, it hesitates a little bit. It hesitates a little bit on the low end, so I definitely got to break that carburetor down and get her fixed. But now that she's running, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna take her for a test drive. I'm not gonna show too much. I'm not really gonna show any footage in this video because my GoPro storage is full right now, so I can't really record anything. But I'm gonna take it for a test drive and spin, see what she bout. And yeah, I'm gonna definitely, you know what I'm saying, get some content for y'all. But I don't really want to ride it too hard till I get the oil change and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and order all that stuff tonight. And then yeah. Anywho, y'all, you know, just some slight, man. Got the ATV running. I'm not surprised that it was something light, because the dude said it was just sitting for a while and it wasn't really being rode too much. So it was either a dirty carb or the battery was there, you know, something light. But regardless, though, it's running. It's running now. So I'm finna get dressed, layer up, and go riding and stuff like that, test her out. But yeah, this is the end of the video for real. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video to your peoples and show love to the channel. If y'all got any, you know, if y'all got any video ideas or anything you want to see me bring to life, just go ahead, leave it in the comments, and I'm gonna do that. But until next time.